This one, it's not a sweet wine. 40 years, age Vernaccia. For sure, the dream of a lot of wine lovers. Let's see how to drink it and how to enjoy it.
Marronaya, a family story behind a bottle.
Hi guys, as you know, I'm Pietro from Podere la Marronaya. We are a family-run farm and we produce biodynamic and organic wine, and some of our wine won also the Merano Wine Festival. If you want to know something more about the wine world, follow us and subscribe at the channel. Today we have a very hard mission because I find in the secret and private wine collections of my grandfather a bottle of wine that it's from 1985. This one is very old and it's very rare. This one it's a Vernaccia 100%. And my idea when I saw this bottle is to steal it and make a video for you. So let's figure it out, how to open it, how to serve it, and how to taste it. Let's see the bottle. Of course, this one, it's not our bottle because we just start our production in 2000. In 2000, my parents purchased old watching towers of the defense belt of the city. They have restored and after they start to make the wine. So going on, we have this wonderful wine that came from the private collection of my grandfather. And we have our own Vernaccia. Both of that are 100% Vernaccia. They are made with the native grape of San Gimignano. If you don't know what is the Vernaccia, I leave you the video where I explain you everything, all the history about this wine. So guys, I opened the bottle, but the cork was very wet. In fact, when I take it out, the bottom it's broken. If I squeeze it, some wine comes out. So this one it's not a good thing, definitely. This wine is very complex. The aromas, the most intense, most powerful is fruity aromas, floral aromas, like white flower, like jasmine. We can smell some grass, green grass, and we will smell some rocks. Because this wine it's very mineral, so you can smell the minerality, you can smell the rocks, we can smell the clay. The clay it's very intense, so terracotta. This wine is very complex. It's a full body wine, very complex and structure, has aromas. Let's see the other one. I don't expect these fresh aromas. These one are, we can say they are fresh aromas. With this one I don't expect that. I expect more mature aroma. It can be something similar to like a dessert wine, like a port, because it's aged. So we can find some notes that can remind you, so honey notes, something like that. We will see. In fact, we have some honey notes, like from our Vinsanto. Yes, it's very sweet. We have these very big sweet notes that reminds like cherry. But even this one, that it's aged so long, they don't have bad aromas. It means that it was storage and the cork, even if it's broken, work in a good way, because otherwise the smell that I have, it was like vinegar. It was so acidic and it was so intense. This one, it's very round and gentle, but very, very sweet. It can smell like vanilla, cannella. How do you say cannella? Cinnamon. Thanks for suggesting me. I have Victoria that make the videos and it suggests me the word. Thanks. So at the beginning, this wine is very soft and light, so you have a very smooth entrance into our mouth. And instead, in the central part, in the middle part, it's almost a little bit more body. It seems like if this wine wants to take out his structure and his body to prove that this wine was a very strong and powerful wine. This one instead, it's a 2022. It's more young and it's more fresh. So you can feel these fresh notes all around. The taste, it's almost balanced because the enters, it's not like this one that enter is soft and after it develop this, it try to develop the structure and after it goes down again. This one, it's all very, very powerful. It's like a bunch of flavors in our face because this one is young and it have a big structure on his shoulder, so it's gonna express all in once. So guys, this for me it was a very, very interesting tasting, especially because, as I tell you before, I never tried a Vernaccia aged so long. 40 years old Vernaccia is my oldest wine that I tried for a while, and I'm quite happy about that. I'm happy to share with you. Right now I will write down all in my tasting notes and I put in my pocket. I always carry it with me in my jacket because it was very, very helpful when I go around. Even if I don't drink wine that old, but I need to remember some good wines that I tried, I always have it with me this one. So guys, I hope that you like the video. If you like it, as always, thumbs up and share it. We see you next one, and meanwhile, I wish you happy tastings.